Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome. Today we're talking about high-paying affiliate programs for craft bloggers. Now I'm not going to be leaving a link in the description for this video, but you can navigate to startamomyblog.com and click on the affiliate marketing tab where I have all of the different posts on affiliate marketing programs which you can join in different niches, so you can go ahead and check that out. Now, the first site I'm going to be talking about is this awesome site called Crafty. Crafty is a highly converting website that your audience is going to love. And they pay out 75% commission per sale. They also have this free sign up which converts really well. Now, that's one of the first things you want to look for in affiliate programs. If they have this free opt-in that is irresistible, and someone is not going to think twice before opting in. So once you get your audience to go ahead and check out this site, they opt in, and Crafty is going to do the rest of it. They're going to send out emails, and they're going to get your audience to convert into sales. They also have a lot of free classes at the bottom of here. They have free online classes in different categories. Free patterns, they're just irresistible. Now, you get paid 75% commission per sale for first-time customers. And you also get paid $15 per each affiliate marketer that you refer to this site. Now, to sign up for their affiliate program, you just want to go ahead, scroll all the way down, and click on Partnership. That's where you're going to be able to join the affiliate program. Let's move on to the next one. Now, before we move on, payout method includes direct deposits and check. So sign up is also through ShareASale. You can go ahead and check that one out, guys. It's really cool. Next is this site called AnniesCatalog.com. They pay out 20 to 30% commission per sale. They also have a free opt-in, free 30-day subscription plan that your audience can sign up to. They have a lot of products on here that you can recommend. They also have classes. Now, these classes, they have free opt-ins that your audience can view and then subscribe to. This is where you get paid all of those high commissions are from these classes. They have quilting classes, crocheting classes, sewing classes, and needlework, and all of those different. As you can see here, that one showed you all of how they can subscribe to hundreds of different videos, for 30 days, completely free, and I think it's going to convert well. Now, sign up is through Commission Junction. Payout method includes check and direct deposits. To sign up, you just need to scroll all the way down and locate where it says affiliate, and you can just click on that and sign up for the affiliate program. Next on my list is this site called scrapbook.com. Now, similar to AnniesCatalog.com, they have classes which convert really well. Now, all your audience has, they have a lot of products on here that your audience might be interested in. And to sign up for the affiliate program, you just scroll all the way down. They offer 20% commission. Payout is check and direct deposit, I think. In this one, they have classes, a lot of free classes, which converts really well. That's why I love about these types of affiliate programs, because all of these free offers which you can offer to your audience, and they opt in. And these sites, they do the rest of the work for you. They convert your free audience into paying customers, which you get recurring commissions. So I think it's great, and you need to go ahead and check it out. Next, we have craftdaily.com. This site pays out 35% commission per yearly subscription. Now, 35%. And their yearly subscription plan is $200. So they teach people how to craft. They have over 700 videos that your audience is going to love. You know, people come online to learn. And when you can offer them good programs to teach them something, you can be sure that they're going to, you know, check it out. Now, to join the affiliate program, all you got to do is come at the bottom of the page. They have join our affiliate program down there, and you can go ahead and check it out. They pay you through PayPal, check, and direct deposits. So check it out. It's a cool site, craftdaily.com. 35% commission, guys. Next, we have the site called loveknitting.com. This site is for those who love to crochet, to knit, and they have a lot of cool tools on here that is going to convert well with your audience. They pay out 15% commission, and their payout method is through PayPal. So to join the affiliate program, they also have products that you can recommend, free patterns. They have a whole community that you can join to learn the stuff yourself as well. So, but as an affiliate, you get paid for referring people onto this site. Now, to join the affiliate program, scroll all the way down and just click on affiliates. Let's move on to the next one. Next, let's talk about Arts Haven. This site pays you a 20% commission per sale, and their average order size is around $250. So that's not you know, that's a good deal if you're recommending this site. Now, they pay through PayPal and check. What you can do with this site is that if you have people who create, you know, they paint, they create images, they can sell their images on this site. So if you have a crafting blog and you recommend people, you could create a post like where to sell your crafts, you know, and then you can recommend them to this site, or you could actually sell these images, you know, sell these photos onto Pinterest, and when people buy them, you get paid 20% commission per sale. So this is a really great site that you can join and make some money, guys. Now, not so often would you find an affiliate program that has a referral program as well. So Blurb pays you 15% commission per sale. Now, they also have $1 per book. You know, any, you know, purchases from their bookstore, you get paid $1. You also get paid $10 per each affiliate that you refer to the program. So I think this is a great deal. You get 15% commissions, and then you get paid $10 per each affiliate that you refer. And don't get me wrong, but referring affiliates to any affiliate program is one of the easiest tasks to accomplish online. But finding these kinds of affiliate programs that pay you to refer people, it's really hard to come by. So blurb.com, let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and check. I actually found that affiliate program through ShareASale. Okay, let's go back to ShareASale on this one because it's not opening up. Okay, but you can access this if you're a member of ShareASale. Let me just get this up. There we go. I was actually spelling that wrong, and this is the site. So this is a site that you can create or you can sell books. You have a lot of books in different categories on here, and like I said, you get paid $1 per each book that you sell on here. You know, that you refer, and you know that generates a sale. They have cookbooks, photography, children, business, comics, and all of the different categories that you can join. You can add a widget with a banner on your site, and once you recommend people, you make sales and you make money. But the best part about it is this refer a friend and save. You know, you get $10 per referral. So you can go ahead and check it out. The sign up method is through ShareASale, which pays out through check and direct deposit. Let's go on to the next one. So similar to Blurb, Consumer Crafts is where crafters can sell their makings. And this site pays out $5 per referral, affiliate referral. If you refer other affiliates who sign up, you get paid $5. And you also get paid 8% commission per sale. So this is a great deal. You can go ahead and start promoting offers off of here, and sign up is through ShareASale, which pays out their affiliate through direct deposit and check. You can go ahead and check that out. Sign up with ShareASale.com, and you can find the Consumer Crafts. This is consumercrafts.com. Find that through ShareASale. And you can just search for Consumer Crafts affiliate program on Google, and you're going to get it. Sign up through ShareASale and make some money with this site. Or you can go ahead and check out my post, which you're going to find at startamommyblog.com/affiliate marketing. That's where you're going to find all of these different affiliate programs. Now, the last one on my list is this site called Cricut. They give out 12% commission per sale, and they also pay you $10 per each affiliate that you recommend that signs up through your affiliate link. Now let's go and check it out. This is their affiliate program through ShareASale. You get $10 per referral. You earn 12% commission per sale. Whatever you sell on here, you're going to get that much commission per sale. So you can go ahead and check it out, guys. I hope you liked this video. I'm going to be creating this little mini series on the different affiliate programs, guys. So thanks for watching. As always, stay awesome. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to come your way. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay awesome.